Why is nobody talking about how the Nigerian government seized Biafran properties after the Civil War? The aftermath of the Nigerian Civil War left many Igbo families devastated, with countless lives lost and properties abandoned due to violent hostilities. Following the war, efforts were made in some parts of Nigeria to return abandoned properties to their rightful owners. However, these efforts were inconsistent, leaving a mixed legacy of justice and injustice. In 1971, a glimmer of hope was seen in Otukpo, where 44 abandoned properties were returned to their Igbo owners. This gesture highlighted a rare instance of fairness and respect for justice during a time of national healing. However, not all cases of abandoned properties follow the same path of restitution. The Port Harcourt house of Sir Louis Odumegwu Ojukwu, one of Nigeria's most prominent businessmen and the father of Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, leader of Biafra. After the war, the property was seized as abandoned and taken over by Ken Saro-Wiwa, who lived in it until his trial and execution in 1995. To this day, the property has not been returned to Ojukwu's family, symbolizing the enduring injustice faced by many Igbo property owners after the war. These contrasting stories of Otukpo and Port Harcourt reflects the complexities of post-war reconciliation in Nigeria. While some people and regions sought to right the wrongs of the war, others perpetuated them, leaving scars that remained unhealed. Justice, fairness, and respect for property rights are essential for national unity. As history shows, doing what is right fosters unity, while unresolved grievances only deepen the separation. Do you think that it is fair enough for Ojukwu's father's properties to be seized since the war till this day? Tell me in the comments.